Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine.
What about you? Everything is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are taking a lot of fun in English in DOS Academy to speak in English. Yes?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, students, we have studied from 17 days.
Seven.
Today is 18th
Yes.
day. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And we have progress in speaking and DOS making sentences. Okay?
Yes, sir.
आज हम सीखेंगे, अभी तक हमने जितना बोला था, जितने भी पढ़ाई की है सब एक्टिव वॉइस में की है।
Yes.
और एक्टिव वॉइस में हम इज, एम, आर, वाज, वर, विल बी, डू, डज, डिड, विल, हैव, हैज, हैड, विल हैव, और हैव बीन, हैज बीन, हैड बीन और विल हैव बीन, ये हमने पढ़े हैं। ठीक है। आज हम वर्ब ले रहे हैं पुट। पुट मीन्स होता है रखना, और इनकी तीनों फॉर्म एक होती है, पुट, पुट, पुट और पुटिंग। ठीक है। आई पुट माई थिंग्स, आई पुट माई व्यूज, हम कुछ भी रख सकते हैं। आई पुट माई स्माइल, आई पुट माई आइज, आई पुट माई ब्रेन, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो। आई पुट माई माउथ, आई पुट माई स्पीक, आई पुट माई सेंटेंस। ठीक है। पुट एक ऐसा वर्ड है कि आप कुछ भी, ऐसा नहीं है कि जो बहुत ज़्यादा इंग्लिश वर्ब जानता है वही बोलता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। आप छोटे से भी, ज़्यादा वर्ब नहीं याद करके 100 वर्ब के अंदर भी बहुत सारा बोल सकते हैं। ठीक है। बोला जा सकता है, कोई इशू नहीं बोलने में। ठीक है। पुट से हम लगा के बहुत सारे वर्ब बोलेंगे। ठीक है। जैसे आज हमने सीखा, मैं अपनी बात रखता हूँ, आई पुट माई थिंग्स। ठीक है। आई पुट माई वर्ड्स, बात को हम वर्ड भी बोलते हैं और थिंग भी बोलते हैं। थिंग सामान के लिए भी यूज होता है और बात के लिए भी यूज होता है। ठीक है। वस्तु के लिए भी यूज थिंग ही होता है। अगर थिंग, वस्तु का नाम नहीं बताना, थिंग यूज कर लो। वस्तु का नाम बताना है तो वस्तु बोल दो। जैसे बुक हुआ, टेबल हुआ, चेयर हुआ। आई पुट माई चेयर,
I put my book.
हाँ, कुछ भी बोलो। आई पुट
put my
चेयर।
car.
हाँ, आई पुट माई कार।
I put my cycle.
हाँ, आई पुट माई पार्क। पुट की जगह वहाँ पार्क बोल देंगे। ठीक है।
I put my laptop.
हाँ,
I put my mobile.
ठीक है। हाँ, अच्छा, हम चलते हैं, हम इस पे स्पीकिंग करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे जहाँ पे इज, एम, आर, वाज, वर लिखा है
हाँ सर.
बट देखो एक्टिव वॉइस।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है।
Yes.
इसमें और इसके नीचे जहाँ विल, हैव बीन, हैज बीन, यहाँ पे आईएनजी फॉर्म यूज होती थी।
Yes,
याद
sir.
आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
जहाँ डू, डज, डिड, विल लिखा है, यहाँ पे क्या यूज होता था? वर्ब की पहली फॉर्म यूज होती थी। जैसे आई पुट माई बुक, मैं अपनी किताब रखता हूँ। और तीसरे में भी पुट ही रहेगा इसमें, चूंकि हैड, हैज है, तब भी पुट मैं रख चुका हूँ। अब हम तीनों का अभ्यास करते हैं। तो पढ़ो। सबसे पहले कौन सा पढ़ेंगे हम? डू वाला। आई पुट माई बुक।
I put my do.
आई पुट माई बुक हियर।
I put my book
बुक
here.
हियर, मैं अपना यहाँ किताब रखता हूँ। बोलो।
I put my book here.
हाँ.
I put my
आई डू नॉट पुट,
book here.
हाँ, आई डू नॉट पुट माई बुक हियर।
Do I put my book here?
हियर, डू आई नॉट पुट माई बुक हियर।
Do I-
वाई डू पुट, बोलो।
Why do you put my?
Why do I put my book here? Why do I not put book my here? When do I put my book here? When do I not put book my here? How do I put my book here? How do I not put my book here?
What do I
What
put
do
my
I
book
put
here?
book-
What do
what
I
do
not
I
put my
put
book here?
my book
Where
here?
do I put my book here? Where do I not put my
Book here. Good, very good.
Yes.
मैंने अपना किताब रखा।
Yes.
ठीक है, तो क्या बोलेंगे?
I
I put
put my book.
I put my book here. Dear कर दो वहाँ पे। Here और dear।
वहाँ रखा.
हाँ, वहाँ रखा।
I put my book there.
Dear।
Yes.
मैंने अपनी किताब वहाँ रखा जहाँ मेरा भाई था।
I put my book
Dear
there.
Where
Where
my brother
my brother
was।
was.
ठीक है। मैंने अपनी पुस्तक वहाँ रखा जहाँ मेरा भाई था। I put my book there where is my brother। Where my brother was। ठीक है। Where,
Was.
वहाँ पे जब where ये सब लगाते हैं तो वहाँ पे जस्ट वर्ब नहीं लगाएंगे, ध्यान रखना। जब हम बीच में इनको बोलते हैं तो इनके साथ वर्ब नहीं लगाते, ध्यान रखना। जैसे अभी हमने बोला I put my book there where, यही where उठा लिया,
हाँ.
इज नहीं लगाएंगे यहाँ, आवाज नहीं लगाएंगे तुरंत। where my brother
My brother
was।
was.
वाज हमने लास्ट में बोला क्योंकि था के लिए। ठीक है। इज भी बोल सकते थे, माय ब्रदर इज।
Okay, my brother, मेरा brother.
हाँ तो एक आदमी हुआ ना, माई से हमेशा एक होता है, योर ब्रदर एक ही होता है। माई ब्रदर से बोलोगे तो वहाँ पे बर चला जाएगा, ठीक है। माई कभी दो नहीं होता, माई एक ही होता है। आगे इसके जो लगाए जाते हैं उससे पता चलता है। चलो अच्छा, मैंने अपना पुस्तक वहाँ रखा जहाँ मेरा भाई खेल रहा था।
I put my book
हाँ, आई पुट माई बुक देयर व्हेयर माई ब्रदर हाँ माई ब्रदर वाज प्लेइंग।
my brother was playing.
हाँ ठीक है, अब हम सेंटेंस इलाबोरेट कर दिए, ठीक है।
Yes.
इसी को हम 14 सेंटेंस बोलते हैं।
जी।
I did not put my book there
I did
where
not-
my brother was playing.
I did not put my book here.
There
There
where
where
my brother
my brother
was playing.
was playing. Where my brother was
Was playing, हाँ।
Yes.
वहाँ where के बाद वर्ब नहीं है, वो नहीं आएगी, was वर्ब नहीं आता, वहाँ पे चेंज होता है।
Why? Why का बोलते थे?
हाँ बोलो।
Why I am?
Why did my brother?
Why did
I put my
why
book
did
there?
I-
मैंने अपनी पुस्तक क्यों रखा? Why did my book? Why did I put my book there where my brother was playing? मैंने अपनी पुस्तक वहाँ क्यों रखी जहाँ मेरा भाई खेल रहा था?
Why did not?
Why did I not put
Why
my
did
book
I
there?
not put my books there?
हाँ,
My
there
brother-
where my brother
was playing.
हाँ was playing.
अब मैं when का बोलूँ? When did
I put my book
when did
there.
I put my
Book there. Where
my brother
my brother was playing a video game.
a video game
ठीक है? In his room
in his room
with his friends
with his friend
to take a stick
to take a stick
and wear a chain, golden chain. Wear माने पहने हुए golden chain. And also a ring on his finger. Okay. Again. How did I put my book there? How did I put my book there where my brother was playing a video game with his friends?
with his friend? How did I put my book here? There.
How put I my book there?
Where my name? Where
Where my brother
my brother
was playing a game with his friend.
Video game.
हाँ, video game.
Where did I put my book there? Where
Where?
my brother was playing video game?
Hmm.
Where did I not put my book? Here.
There, हाँ, there.
There.
Where?
my
Brother was playing
a video game.
हाँ, my brother was playing a video game with his friend. ओके, अब आगे आते हैं। समझ रहे हैं ना, ऐसे इलाबोरेट होते हैं, ऐसे सेंटेंस बढ़ते जाते हैं। वो आएंगे, हम उस पर भी आएंगे, अभी हम वहाँ नहीं जा रहे हैं। डिड हो गया, अब बिल। आई विल पुट
my book.
हाँ, आई विल पुट माई बुक दियर।
I will put my book there. I will not put my book there. Why will
हाँ, why will I put my book here? Why will I not put my book here? When will I put my book here? When will I not put my book here? How will I put my book here? How will I not put my book here? What will I put my book here? What will I not put my book here? Where will I put my book here? Where will not I put my book here? अब आगे देखो, इसमें हैज, हैड, हैव, विल हैव लगे हैं ना। इन सबके पास थर्ड फॉर्म में जो थी, थर्ड फॉर्म भी इसकी सेम ही है, तो सीधा ऐसे ही बोलेंगे। I have put
my book.
हाँ, my book
I
दिया।
have-
मैंने अपनी पुस्तक वहाँ रख दी है।
I have not put my book.
रख दिया है या रख दी है तो एक ही होगा। I have put my book there. I have not put my book there. Have I put my book there? Have I not put my book there? Why have I put my book there? Why have I not put my book
When
there?
have I put my book there?
When have I not put my book there? How have I put my book there? How have I not put my book there? What have I put?
there?
What have I put my book there? What have I not put my book there?
Where have I put my
Where
book
have
there?
I put my book there? Where have I not put my book there? Had
I had put
I had put my book there. I had not put my book there.
Had I put my
Had
book
I put my book there? Had I not put my book there? Why had I put my book there? Why had I not put my book there? When had I put my book there? When had I not?
How
my book
had
there?
put my book there? How had not put my there? What had put my book there? What had not?
हम्म, आगे आगे
Yes.
पढ़ो।
Yes. Where?
नहीं, पुट ही रहेगा।
अच्छा.
हैड के बाद क्या है? बिल हैव।
Will.
आई बिल हैड
I will had.
हैव आई बिल हैव पुट माई बुक देयर।
I will have put.
मैं
my
वहाँ
book
अपना
there.
किताब रख चुका हूँ।
I will have put my
Tomorrow.
book there.
हाँ, आई विल हैव पुट माई बुक
there.
टुमारो।
Tomorrow. I will have not put my book tomorrow.
आई विल
put
हैव
my
पुट माई
tomorrow?
बुक
Will I have
दियर
not put my
टुमारो।
book
दियर
tomorrow?
के बाद टुमारो बोलो।
Yes, sir.
बोलो।
Why will have?
Why will I have put my book there?
Why will I have not put my book there?
There tomorrow.
Why will I have put my book there?
हाँ.
Why will I why will I have not put my book there?
Put my book there.
When will
tomorrow.
I have not put my book there? When
हाँ.
will I have not put my book there? How will I have put my book there? How will I have not put my book there? What will I have put my book there? What will I have not put my book there? Where will I have put my book there? Where will I have not put my book there?
Where will I not have my book there? अब हम पढ़ेंगे इनके साथ, इज के साथ और हैव बीन के साथ, दोनों के साथ आईएनजी ही लगेगा। समझ में आ रहा ना? इनके साथ और इनके साथ दोनों के साथ आईएनजी लगेगा। आईएनजी पर पुटिंग हो जाएगा। आई एम पुटिंग माई book here.
I am putting my book here.
Here. I am not putting my book here. Am I putting my book here? Am I not putting my book here? Why am I putting my book here? Why am I not putting my book here? When am I putting my book here? When am I not putting my book
How
here?
I am putting
Speak करो, मैं आता
I
हूँ।
am not putting it there. What am I put back there? What I am not putting there? Where have I put there? Where I am not putting there? Where have put my there? Where I am not putting my there? Have putting my there. I will put my there. I will not put my there. I will have putting my book there. I will have not putting my there. Will have putting my there, but I am not putting my there. I will have putting my book there. I will have not putting my there. Where will have putting my there? Will have not putting my there. Why will have putting my book there? Where will have not putting my there? When will have putting my there? When will have not putting my book there? Where have putting my there? When will have putting my book there? Where will have putting my there? Where will not putting my there? I have putting my book there. I have not putting there. Where will have putting there? Where will have not putting there? I have putting my there. I will not putting it there. Is I am putting my there. Is I am not putting my there. Why will I have putting my there? Why will I have not putting my there? Why will I have putting my there? When will I have not putting my there? Why will I have putting my there? Why will I have not putting my there? When will I have putting my there? When will I have not putting my there? How will I have putting my there? How will I have not putting my there? Will I have putting my book there? Will I have not putting my there? Where will I have putting my there? Will I have not putting my there? I have putting my there. I have not putting my book there. Where I have putting my there? Where I have not putting my book there? I have putting my book there. I have not putting my book there. Where I have putting my book there? Where I have not putting my there? Have I putting my book there? Have I not putting my book there? Where I have putting my book there? Where I have not putting my book there? Will have putting my book there, will have not putting my book there. I putting. Where have putting my book there, where have not putting my there. Why will have putting my there, why will have not putting my there. How, what will have putting my there, but will not putting my there. Where will have putting my there, where will have not putting my there. Where will have putting my there, where will have not putting my there. Why will I have putting my there? Why will I have not putting my there? Will I have putting my there? Will I have not putting my there? Where will I have putting my there? Where will I have not putting my there? Something not putting my there. Where not putting my there? Something not putting my there. Something not putting my there. had Sunny my book there? That has Sunny not my book there. Why had Sunny my book there? I will have Sunny. Why will have putting my there? Why will I have not putting my books? When will I have putting my books? When will I have not putting my books? How will have putting my books? How will I not putting my books?
स्पीक लाउडली।
Yes sir.
हाँ, बिना डरे और ऐसे बोलो, बोलते जाओ। तो पता है ना पुटिंग के साथ बोलते जाओ।
Yes sir.
I have been putting my books here for 2 hours.
अच्छा
You have been putting, जब समय देना हो तो नीचे वाला बोलना have, had, will have, been के साथ।
ओके सर। अजी तो हैव के साथ भी लगा दें।
हाँ
आ-
बोलो।
Why have putting my books?
have के साथ been लगा, देखो वहाँ पे been लिख दिया गया है ना।
अच्छा
हाँ, अगर
सर
कभी
जी-
ing फॉर्म यूज करना है
सर जी इधर वाला क्या है?
वहाँ थर्ड फॉर्म लगता है फिर।
अच्छा
हाँ, बोलो।
पुटिंग आ जाएगा।
नीचे लिखा ना, यहाँ पे देखो been लिखा है, नहीं लिखा।
हाँ हाँ हैव बीन
हाँ have been,
तो क्या बोला?
ing ही लगेगा। भूल गए, बोलते बहुत ing दो जगह बोला जाता है, जैसे वहाँ going दो जगह बोला जाता है कि have के साथ been लगा के एक ऊपर साथ बोला जाता है।
तो सर जी
वही चीज यहाँ लिखा गया है।
वो तो बोल लूँगा तो क्या लगाऊँ?
I have been putting my book
अच्छा आई के
for 2 days।
I have been putting my books for 2 days.
हाँ, for 2 days।
For 2 days. I
I
have
have not
putting
putting
my
my
books
books
for
here
days.
for 2 days।
Yes sir. Have
समय जब आता है तभी हम यूज करते हैं, बीन का नहीं तो हम एम और ई साथ ले जाते हैं। बोलो।
I have been putting my books.
हाँ, इसे यूज में ले लो।
I have been not putting my books. Have I putting my books?
मैं 2 महीने से कोचिंग जा रहा हूँ। I have been going।
I have been going
हाँ, to coaching
to coaching
for 2 months।
for 2 months. Have I not have I
not been going
have I not been going coaching
coaching for
for two months? Why have been going?
why have I been going?
Why have I been going for coaching
हाँ,
for
for 2 days, for 2
months.
months,
2
for
months.
2 days, for 2 months।
Yes sir. When have I been going coaching center
हम्म,
for 2 months?
हम्म।
When have I been not? अन्ना जी
मैं यहाँ 2 महीने से क्यों आ रहा हूँ?
अच्छा
बोलो। कमिंग होता है।
Why?
बोलो। मैं यहाँ 2 महीने से क्यों आ रहा हूँ? Why have
Why have I been
I been coming here
here
for 2
for 2
months?
days? 4 months.
For 2 months।
For 2 months. How have I been going for?
मैं यहाँ 2 महीने से इंग्लिश सीखने आ रहा हूँ।
I have may have
I have coming here।
I have been
coming here
coming here
for 2
for
months।
2 months speaking.
For 2 months सबसे लास्ट में बोलेंगे I have been coming here
I been have coming
here
here
to speak in
to
English।
speak English,
या to learn English।
To learn English।
हाँ, to take tuition।
to take tuition
ठीक है, for 2 months।
for 2 months. Okay.
मैं 2 महीने से यहाँ पे ट्यूशन लेने आ रहा हूँ यार, इंग्लिश पढ़ने आ रहा हूँ।
Yes sir.
बोलो इधर, बोलते नहीं हो।
ठीक है देखने में
अकेले क्या इसमें, तुम हमने बोला ना हर आदमी इंडिविजुअल है, जो काम करोगे अपने लिए करोगे, और जो दिन अकेले कर लोगे ना वो सबके साथ भी भूलते रहोगे, लेकिन अकेले में सब याद रहेगा। हैव बीन के साथ बोलो, हैज बीन के साथ बोलो। हैज बीन का बोलोगे जब माय ब्रदर बोलोगे या एक आदमी, हैड बीन बोल दो, बिल हैव बीन बोलो। ये भी बोले जाते हैं, ये भी बोले जाते हैं। ये तब बोला जाएगा जब समय नहीं देना, इसमें समय देना होता है बस।
I has been my book.
आई
I has
हैज तो लगेगा ही नहीं, हमेशा हैव आई के साथ हैव लगता है।
अच्छा।
हैज ब्रदर लगता है, जैसे सीता हैज बीन
Sita has been coming.
सन्नी हैज नॉट बीन कमिंग टुडे।
Sunny has been not coming today.
सन्नी हैज नॉट बीन कमिंग,
Sunny has not
बीन
been
कमिंग
coming.
आज नहीं आ रहा है।
आज नहीं आ रहा है.
हाँ, टुडे
Sunny has
Has
been
not been
coming
coming today.
today.
हाँ।
Sunny has been not coming today.
सन्नी ट्यूशन
Why?
लेने नहीं आ रहा है आज। सन्नी हैज नॉट बीन कमिंग टू टेक ट्यूशन
To take
टुडे।
tuition today.
टुडे सबसे लास्ट में बोलते
Okay. Why have been Sunny?
हैं। Why have Why has Sunny
Why has
Sunny not been coming
in tuition
to take tuition today?
today?
I don't know.
I don't know.
बोलो.
अच्छा sorry. Sunny has been not coming for today. Sunny has been coming for today. Sunny has not been coming for today. When has been Sunny has coming for today? When is Sunny not coming today? Sunny had been. What has Sunny been coming for today? What had Sunny been not coming for today? Where Sunny had been. Where has Sunny been coming for today? Where has Sunny been not coming for today? When will have Sunny will coming for today? When will have not Sunny will coming today? Sunny will coming for today. Will have Sunny not come today. I have been my book. I have been my book today. I have not been my book today. Have I been today? Have I not been today? Sita has been coming. Sita has been coming in tuition for 2 months. Sita has been not coming for tuition for 2 months. Why has Sita been coming for 2 months? Why has Sita not been coming for 2 months? Sita will have coming for 2 months. Sita will have not coming for 2 months. Sunny, Rahul has been coming tuition for 2 months. Rahul has been not been coming for tuition 2 months. Why have been Rahul coming tuition for 2 months? Why have been Rahul not been coming for tuition? Rahul has been coming for 2 months. Rahul has been not coming for 2 months. When has been Rahul come tuition? When has Rahul not been coming for tuition? Sita has been coming in tuition for 2 months. Sita has not been coming for 2 months. Why has been Sita is coming for 2 months? Why has Sita is not coming for 2 months? Sunny is coming for 2 months. Sunny has been not coming for in tuition for 2 months. Rahul has been coming for 2 months. Rahul has not been coming for 2 months. Sita has been coming in tuition for 2 months. Sita has not been coming for 2 months. Sita has been coming for 2 months. Sita has not been coming for 2 months. Why had Sita been coming 2 months? Why has Sita been coming 2 months? Sita has been coming for 2 months. Sita has not coming for 2 months. Why has Sita been coming for 2 months? Why have Sita not coming for 2 months? Rahul has been coming in tuition for 2 months. Rahul has not been coming for 2 months.
Okay, students, we are going to over the session.
Okay,
Tomorrow
sir.
we'll be continue. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you.